Hi, I'm Jay with My Tennessee Home Solution. We are the most reliable and honest home buyers in Tennessee. But a lot of people haven't worked with us or heard of us in the past, so in today's video I want to go over the top 4 things that most people don't know about My Tennessee Home Solution. Number 1, we care. Life happens, and a lot of people find themselves in difficult situations. It can be divorce, natural disasters like flooding, fires, foreclosures, bankruptcy, lots of things like this that we see people dealing with these types of issues come to us, and we've been able to really help a lot of people, and that makes us feel awesome. We really care about our community. Number 2, our Streamline Process. So selling a home can take anywhere from 3 months to a year, depending on how many repairs you have to do, discussing things with a real estate agent, getting things staged, and when you actually do find a buyer, their financing can sometimes fall through, or it can take months to get approved with their bank. It can be a real long drawn out process. We can do it super fast. It's a very streamlined process. We can close in sometimes as little as 2 months. We have all cash offers. Number 3, how we calculate our offers. So we aren't just throwing out random numbers, even though some people might not know where we're getting these numbers. It's based on the condition of your house, the location, and your specific needs. Lots of people have various specific needs that we're able to meet, and we put these numbers together and determine what exactly the most that we can offer you in order for us to still come out okay on the other end. And number 4 is our community. So we're a very tight-knit group, more so than other companies. People who've worked with us may understand this. We're all Army veterans, and we've worked together in the past, and it's just an awesome team environment here, and we'd love you to be part of it. So if you want a fair, honest cash offer on a house, give us a call today.